Hello students, welcome to Networking Lab class. This is for 4th semester IT students. On today class we will be discuss about ping and IP config. So what are these two commands, why these two commands is used on your networking option. So let's start. Now see, connectivity troubleshooting using ping and IP config. So we are having two commands, one is your ping, another one is your IP config. So why these two commands is used on your networking concept? Okay, so basically to check the connectivity and your finding the troubleshooting of your network, that should be used with this help of this ping and IP config commands. Okay. Network troubleshooting tools necessity for every network administrator when getting started in the network field. It is important to a mass and number of tools that can be used to troubleshoot a variety of different network connections. So by ping command, the ping command allows you to send a signal to another device, and if that device is active, it will send a response back to the sender. Okay, that means what? The ping command is allows the signal to another device. Okay, that means the sender is passing the signal to the receiver by what type of command using? By using the ping command. Okay, and if that receiver is active, means if that device is active, it will send a response back to the sender. The ping command is a subset of the ICMP, that is your Internet Control Message Protocol, and it uses what it called an echo request. So when you ping a device, you send out an echo request, and if the device you ping is right now active or online, you get an echo response from that receiver end. That means, for example, if your local computer has internet connectivity issues, you can try to ping your router. If you get no response, then you know that the router is what is giving you a problem. Okay, so if you have a local computer and you want to check whether your router is okay or not, your networking is currently okay or not, then you can ping it. Okay, so if you are not getting any response, then you find that your router is not working properly. So let's ping our router IP, which is reaches 192.168. Then the router IP is reached to that same 192.168. Again your router IP is also reaches to 192.168. Again after that you will be reaching the single IP, that is your 192.168.8.1. Okay, so the key is assigned as 8. You may start from 0 also. Okay, and it is our example. Let's see how the ping command is to be executed. Now see, on your DOS prompt, first you have to move to the command prompt. Okay, on your start button you may search for CMD, because you have to call the command prompt. So by writing CMD or command, press enter or click in OK, you will be getting the command prompt. Okay, so inside this command prompt you can ping, you may write ping enter. Otherwise, if you know your IP address, like here also it is written that I have to check my router whether my router is currently perfectly working or not. Okay, so here the router IP is there, you have to assign the IP here only. So your command is ping 192.168.8.1. Okay, so the series is start with 8, it should be start with 0 also, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, yeah, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, depend upon your networking. Think about in a single room, if you are having 10 system and your series is start with 1, and you fix the IP as 192.168.1.101. Okay, no problem. For the next machine it is 192.168.1.102. Again for the third machine 192.168.1.103. Okay, like such a manner the last end system number is your 1.110, because in a room you are having 10 system and it is fixed with a IP and the series is start from 1. Okay, so here as for example the series is start from 8. So you will be getting this type of information. Okay. Now as per IP config, the IP config display the current information about your network such as IP and your MAC address and the IP address of your router also. Okay, so previously the ping command is there. Here IP config is display you the current information about your networks. So currently on your network what are the systems are getting connected with their respective IP and MAC address, it should be displayed by your IP config command. Clear? It will display you the IP and MAC address and your IP address of your router. It can also display information about your DHCP and DNS servers. Let's see the basic output of IP config command. Depending on the network connection type, you may see different output for different connection. Okay, be clear. Depending on the network connection type, what type of network you are using, so depends upon that network you may find out a different output for different connections. For example, if you are connected to the network using Ethernet, okay, so if your network is in Ethernet, okay, through cables all the systems are getting connected. That means you plug in your network cable to the RJ45 jacks. You will see the IP information in the Ethernet adapter sections. Okay, so if you are having Ethernet connection, then you will be getting the detailed information about your IP inside your Ethernet adapter connection. But in case we are connected to the Wi-Fi or wireless connection, so here you get the information there in our case. That means local IPv4 of a computer is 192.168.8.103. Okay, so we also see the subnet mask is there, 255.255.255.0 is there. This is automatically displayed, which we can use to find the network address. We also see the default gateway IP as this one. The default is your 192.168.8.1 is there, which is our writer. Okay, so this does not matter that it should start with 8 previously. Right now just I am discussing that it may be start from the series as 1 also. Okay, and to see the detailed IP information we can use the /all along with which command? Along with your IP config command. So how it should be written? IP config, then put a space /all. Okay, where you will be getting the IP address, MAC address. Be remember that MAC address is nothing but your physical address of your system. Okay, so all the information you will be getting by this IP config /all command. Okay, so let's see. So here also you will be getting the detailed information about your IP config, and if you are writing IP config /all is there, so you will be getting this type of information. So connection is there, description is there, physical address. Okay, so the physical address is nothing but the MAC address of your system. So for my system it is showing as 00225F 8F and 84F A is there. Okay, sorry, BF is there. So DHCP enabled is there, auto configuration enabled is there. So these are the status you will be getting by using your IP config /all option, and your detailed information about your gateway IP is there, default gateway IP is there. This one is 192.168.8.1. Okay, and DLCP server is also that same thing is there, and DNS server is start from your 8.1, 192.168.8.1. Okay.